Welcome back, metal fans. Today we have an easy project. The ski bar clamp bolt is seized. The nut broke free underneath and it just spinning bent the little piece of channel that holds the square nut underneath, and it's got a snap ring on top that holds it in place. Applied some heat to the square nut underneath, kind of a single stripe, just to heat the one side in hopes that that expands, releases some of the tension on the screw. Then using 2 crescent wrenches, was able to back that out. All the threads look fine, no damage. The channel in the trailer, however, was mushroomed down towards the bottom of the trailer, and the bottom side was also pushed down. When that screw got jammed on the square nut, it just wreaked all sorts of havoc. It spread those channel apart, and it also bent that down and mushroomed the surrounding area. Air chisel with a blunt tip made real quick work of moving that aluminum back where it needed to go. Had to figure out a way to hold that block in place while I tried to put a new snap ring from the top, then use a screwdriver just to get it to drop into place. A little 2-ton hydraulic ram was a perfect third hand and partner today. Best apprentice I've worked with in a while. Square nut's sitting good, new snap ring is in place. Everything's going surprisingly well for once. I was surprised, felt like I knew what I was doing. Took the air chisel with that blunt tip again, worked that piece of aluminum channel back around the square nut to help hold it. All it has to do is stop that square nut from spinning. If the threads are good and lubricated, there's really no resistance on it. And just like that, it's good to go. Ran a tap and die over everything, make sure all the rust or any metal shavings were out. You got to keep this stuff lubricated, otherwise you'll just lock up like it did this last time. You're pulling this trailer in winter, moving snowmobiles around, everything just getting caked in salt spray. You got to pull them out every now and then. I usually put a little bit of motor oil on them, keep everything moving and spinning nicely, help keep the water out. Had this buttoned up in less than an hour. Nice quick turnaround. They had to get back on the road. They were heading up north. So no video, but a couple pictures, simple repair. Probably pretty common, especially in my neck of the woods, where the county puts salt down like it's free. If you like the slideshow, great, hit that like button. Remember, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff that helps me out. Hopefully we can make some better videos coming up.